Wanji Nagarajan. My metric number is 262502. So I will be talking about the destination background, which is Belgium. Until the 8th century, conquests and divisions altered the boundaries of these kingdoms. The last partition took place in the Treaty of Verdun between the grandsons of Carmelite, who split the Holy Roman Empire into three parts, the central portion of which, Lithuania, encompassed the territory between the Netherlands and Italy, including present-day Belgium. However, Lithuania was incorporated into the German Empire, and the notion of a state between France and German Empire did not resurface until the 14th century. The princes of Burgundy inherited, conquered, bought, or received in dowry most of the fiefs of the Netherlands, Belgium, and northern and eastern of France. They founded their court in Brussels and introduced the language French into their countries. The possessions of the Dukes of Burgundy were inherited by the Habsburg family in 1477. In the middle of the 16th century, a religious civil war led to the separation of the Low Countries into two parts, which is the north that has become the Netherlands, a Dutch-speaking Protestant state, and the south remained Catholic and was aligned with the Habsburg until the French invasion in 1794. Under the Habsburg authorities, the use of Flemish steadily diminished, but the French stance was strengthened during their French administration. After the defeat of Napoleon, the Vienna Congress created the Kingdom of Netherlands, including present-day Belgium. The policies of King William I to favor the Dutch language and the Protestant faith, however, led to the Revolution of 1830 when Belgium became independent. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue about the heritage of the site or element at Belgium. Firstly, my name is Nurul Shahidah binti Said and my metric number is 264416. Our first site is Flemish Burgundians. Burgundians are among the collection of buildings used of Burgundians. However, it is not the largest religion in Belgium, but the largest of populations. Belgium is a complex that built to accommodate Belgians who are women live in publicly in society without swearing and who often retire from the world. The convent was originally the Belgians institutions. Also, the convent is well-established community that live each other under the guideline of top people. Any of these buildings are now classified as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Okay, next, our second site is at La Grande Place, Bruxelles. Grande Place is Brussels Center Square. The square is the most tourist destination to visit at Belgium. It is the Brussels' most memorable landmark. It is often regarded as one of the most beautiful square in Europe and has been as UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1998. Besides, the festival and cultural activity are also frequently had in the Grand Place, such as light show, voice during Christmas as part of Winter Wonder, summer concert, flower carpet, and also the Omega.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Seri Aisyah Khairunisa binti Muhammad Zainal and my metric number is 258980. So, I took these chances to let you guys explore with me the next aspect, which is interpretation of the sites. Basically, there are so many heritage sites in Belgium and they all have their own uniqueness. But we choose two of them, which have been recognized by UNESCO. Firstly is the Flemish Beguinages, a culturally significant site recognized for its ability to develop a convent or community based on religious beliefs since the Middle Ages. These sites are being formed by a group of single women, either spinsters or widows, who want a religious lifestyle but don't want to live under the rules of the church. They want to use each other for support and their faith for guidance, rather than having priests or nuns tell them what to do. The Beguinages were women who entered into a life dedicated to God without retiring from the world. In the 13th century, they founded the Beguinages enclosed communities designed to meet their spiritual and material needs. The Flemish Beguinages form architectural ensembles enclosed by walls or surrounded by ditches with gates opening to the outside world. during the day. Inside, they were composed of houses, church, ancillary buildings, and green spaces organized in a spatial conception of urban or rural origin and built in styles specific to the Flemish cultural region. There are 13 beguinages located in Flanders, a region of Belgium, and all of them consist their own multiple architectural structures. Each of the buildings serves a civil or religious purpose to those who live within this small community. Move to the second site, which is La Grand Place in Brussels. The Grand Place is the central square of the city of Brussels. All over the world, it is known for its decorative and aesthetic wealth. The Grand Place is surrounded by the Guidehouse, the City Hall, and the King's Household. The Grand Place is considered as one of the most beautiful places in the world. The Grand Place of Brussels was registered on the World Heritage List of the UNESCO in 1998. This site was historically a marketplace where traders and citizens traded goods. A man called Charles, who was the Duke of Lower Lorraine, built a fort on St. Gary Island, effectively establishing this new city. Construction on it began in 15th century. First of all, some market halls, trade guard houses, and a town hall to establish the authority of this trading center. Unfortunately, this place was bombarded for 3 days by French army in August 1695 in a war of the Siege of Augsburg. It was almost completely destroyed, but like a phoenix, it went on the rise from the ashes in less than 5 years. That's why 4 styles stand alongside each other or sometimes even overlap. It's a wonderful assortment of Gothic, Baroque style, classical antiquity, and Neo-Gothic. Nowadays, this is the most exciting that gives the opportunity for tourists to see inside the building and learn some interesting facts about Brussels itself.
Years back, since 2016, travelers from all over the world has visited Belgium, with more than 15 million travelers per year are recorded. The highest number of travelers arriving is in 2019, whereby Belgium did a high investment of promotional campaign by being part of Tour de France. 1 million euros are spent with estimations of 4 times in returns of the benefits from the investment value. Because of Tour de France, a center site called as Visit Brussels has been set up for tourists with the objectivity to changing the cycling fans as an ambassador of the places beside highlighting a touristic destination. For instance, La Grand Place, one of the UNESCO heritage, is part of the cyclist path with 10,000 spectators has gathered at the La Grand to celebrate the cyclists. This has indirectly advertised the heritage of the Belgium to the outside world. Words of mouth is a powerful marketing strategy whereby modern worlds have set up their games with the tools of social media. The cost is way cheaper and are easily accessible for the viewers. La Grand Place not just receiving coverage on television, but the footage could be seen in videos or photo form that can be found on YouTube, vlogs, and a few other sites related to cycling and also UNESCO official website. Same goes to Flemish beguinages, whereby it is in official websites and posted in social media like Instagram by traveler that went there. Furthermore, websites such as Visit Brussels that initially created for Tour de France 2019 are part of digital marketing that used by people during their visit to Belgium.